Welcome back to Decoder. In this tutorial, we're adding a unit selection feature to our Next.js ISS Distance Tracker. This will allow users to switch between kilometers and miles when viewing the distance to the ISS. In the previous tutorial, we built an app that used the Web Geolocation API to get the user's location, created a Next.js API route to fetch the ISS position, and calculated and displayed the distance from the ISS in kilometers. Now we're going to give users control over the displayed unit of measurement by adding a simple unit toggle using radio buttons. So here's how I would implement that feature in the page.js file. First, I would create a unit selection state variable to store the unit selected. And then down here, where I display the distance, I would check if the units are kilometers, and if so, display kilometers, else convert to miles. And then I would also obviously add the input the radio buttons and their labels. So this one, for example, this is a radio button labeled kilometers, and this is another one labeled miles. And radio buttons allow users to select one option from a set. The checked attribute ensures only one button is active at a time. The onChange event updates the state when a selection is made. So here's what happens when I load the app on my phone, on my computer. I can toggle between miles and kilometers. Boom. In this tutorial, we implemented radio buttons to switch between kilometers and miles. This small addition makes the app more user-friendly and interactive. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Let's keep learning and growing together.